It's easier. Okay. Come no.
அவ தனியா பேசுறதா போல.
இல்ல அவன் மூஞ்சியை பார்த்து நான் டிசைட் பண்ணேன்.
So I think just to keep it short, whenever Suresh Mama used to visit us, he used to get us gifts. Like we would go to the mall with Suresh Mama and he would let us pick anything we wanted. And such a
Chinese
cool
gifts also.
What? You never did that for me?
Me and Arjun wearing the entire Chinese outfit and
Your
taking a
mama
picture of
probably
I still
did.
have
Chinese.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Chinese.
Hey, Apu, that I did that because of Jackie Chan, bro.
So I think most importantly, Mama taught, like my parents are very hardworking, but they didn't enjoy themselves that much. I would look at Mama and be like, this is how I want to live when I get older. Because he would work hard, but he would also enjoy himself a lot. And I feel like I saw him retire at 40 and study psychology, cook. I was like, wow, this is the life that I want. So thank you for being an inspiration.
Sure, absolutely.
All my days.
And not to mention about the maths thing actually. So when I was small, Amma used to like, chumma threaten me saying, I'll leave you at their place. நீ daily maths போடு. சுரேஷ் வந்து உனக்கு மேத்ஸ் சமஸ் தருவான், நீ அர்ஜுனும் சேர்ந்து போடணும், நீ வந்து அதுக்கு இங்கே படிச்சிட. I used to hate maths so.
That's nice.